Hello and namaste everyone. I have arrived to Nepal just a few hours ago and we are here hard at work making these kits, sanitation kits for the Jajarkot and Rukum earthquake. We are getting ready 200 kits today. This is our team in the background working. I just wanted to share you what the kit has. So one is this HAPSA bag, the post sanitation kit bag, the post disaster sanitation kit bag. We have a hand sanitizer in there. We have 2 soaps in there. We have a bunch of masks in there. We also have toothbrushes for people. We have a large toothpaste. And then, very important, we have a water purifier. And then we also have female sanitary pads, which are going to be in sort of separate boxes, as not everyone will need them. But the goal of using a bag like this also is that this can be used as a sort of personal sanitation bag even after this is used. So that's what we're doing. A lot to do. Thank you for your support, and please continue supporting and sharing as needed. This is Pankaj Bhattrai, our Nepal HAPSA president. Namaste.